So this is how to program your Ford Sync using the LiftMaster garage door opener. So right now this is already programmed. When I press this, it will open. So what I will do is I will reset it so you can see how to program it properly. Just press this two button here and just wait for the blink to get it reset. So it's blinking, so it reset. So let me try it again. Yeah, it's not working now. Okay, so this is reset. What you need to do is just hold your one garage door opener remote. I'm using this one, so if I press this, yeah, it will open close. You see that it's moving the garage. Okay, so I'll close it and then I'll press this together with one of the button here, so either one of the three here. Okay, it's hard to do one hand, but I'll try. Press it, then press the large button there and just wait for the, yeah, that one, the blinking sign there. So when it blinks, just press it again and see it's now working. Okay, thank you, and yeah, hope it all helps.